What's up, everybody? Hey, we were at the Building Blocks for Kids fundraiser today in Mason, Ohio. 4K walk, great cause, but this took a big time attention of everybody, this cloud here. I'm going to roll this video. I caught this. This cloud is insane. It's low, as you can see, but then it's moving extremely fast, and then it starts taking shapes of animals. I'm like, what the heck is going on? I didn't know if there was going to be a funnel cloud, if it's some kind of military thing. I had no idea, but this is nuts, and you got to see this. So I'm going to get out of the way a little bit here so you can see this and see if you can tell me what the heck it looks like. Watch this. This is crazy.
And what we're going to do for that one is we've dumped all the tickets from
what the heck?
raffles into a big bucket.
There was multiple.
Clouds.
I mean, look at that. It looks like a tortoise.
Lowest cloud ever.
I think there's some books in there for us. I'm not sure.
I mean, that is absolutely insane. I'm freaking out. I'm like, what the heck? It looks like some kind of UFO cloud object. Nobody can figure it. It almost comes into like looks like a polar bear right about there. You see the two ears on top and his nose sticking there. What the heck?
Strange looking cloud over Mason, Ohio.
I mean, it's insane.
It's tumbling.
Actually, what it was this right here. Building Block for Kids had the Bubble Blast event. Ton of bubbles everywhere for the kids, all in order to help raise some money for this charity. Absolutely awesome. He ended up walking through bubbles when you started the actual event. The 4K walk. Kids everywhere getting in there. It's awesome. Then you start the walk here. Literally for about the first maybe 50 yards or so, walking through, and I got involved in the event right here with my bubble shoes.
Hey.
Bubble shoes. Bubble man.
I am Bubble Man. There's my buddy Jim. Insane. And then I got bubble hair now.
That's Bubble Man.
And Bubble Man.
Bubble Man.
It's an awesome event. If you want to help out this organization, absolutely cool. Building Block for Kids. Go to bb4k.org and you can help provide support. They've been around since 2003. Check them out. They've helped out more than 650 children. A variety of needs, including therapy equipment, hearing aids, communication devices, home modification, vans with wheelchair, trying to fit that gap that insurance doesn't quite do. You know, you get a lot of these other charities out there, Children's Hospital and all that, cancer, which are fabulous. But then there's some of these smaller charities that are doing a great job out there. And if you want to support them, head over to it. Some great stories helping out kids. And also remember, guys, we're doing our $2 million random subscriber giveaway through pursuingthebest.com with the Wilkins on our YouTube channel. You can also go to our website here, pursuingthebest.com, click on enter the giveaway, follow the steps there. That gets you an entry. But if you also comment on any of our videos that we have out there on our YouTube channel, which is right here, this guy, that also gets you entries. And then lastly, if you share the videos to your Facebook, Instagram, social media pages, you make sure you tag us when you share anything to social media. That gets you another entry into our giveaway. Matter of fact, we just did our first giveaway. You can check out that video. We had a sponsor and took our first bite out of that big elephant of $2 million that we're trying to raise for charity, because I'm trying to give $2.137 million away to charities on top of the $2 million we want to give out over time to random subscribers. And remember, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to the channel. Hit those like buttons. It gets it out to more people so we can try to help out others. And then also remember, with God, anything is possible. Thanks for joining on. Bye.